Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer music from your Android device to your iPhone for free. So the first thing I want you to do first, please pay attention on my iOS device. Leave the Android first as it is. So on the iOS, please go to settings very quickly right there, click on General tab, hop on the software update. We just want to make sure we have the latest version updated and installed on our devices. May it be 16.6 and above or iOS 17, it doesn't matter as long as you don't have any pending updates on this one, okay? Now it's taking a little too while on checking for update, but the message here I want to tell you guys is make sure you don't have a pending update before proceeding on this tutorial, okay? That being said, let's just go here, and the first method right here is going to be transferring via Share It. Actually, this is the only method I'm going to teach you guys right now. And how to install Share It, it's just go to App Store right there. On Android, just go to Play Store and just type Share It on the search bar. And with that one, this is the application of Share It. Okay? Since I already installed it on both devices, I'm just going to go back and then open Share It. Now, be aware that there's a lot of ads with this one. If you want to avoid ads, you can just simply buy the subscription. So with this one, you have options to send videos, applications, photos, and so on and so forth. But we're just gonna send music right here. Send music right there, open Bluetooth over here, and click on next. Now as you can see that searching for receivers on the bottom part, if it fails, click on this icon right there, connect to iOS, click on continue, and on your iPhone, click to Android right there, and scan the Android device. Simple as that. We're just gonna make sure we join the same network. And that being said, it will send the music that we want to send from Android to iOS. Now it will take a little bit time to connect because it's a bit slow on the Wi-Fi here. Anyway, this is the last step. And after this, it will send directly to your iOS. Okay? And that's it. It has already been sent. And thank you for watching. And I hope I see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.